a video until my camera dies. We didn't go to sleep on that.
I'll pop you in the casserole. Farted. Jay, I didn't fart.
Competent tape.
I'll pop you in the casserole. Why?
I don't know. My ass really hurts. Show the hair on the car.
Hit a fucking deer.
Yeah, we were drunk and we hit a deer. And it's so sad because I think we killed it. So, dude, there's some hair. And then there's hair too. Oh. Yeah. And there's a dent. Hey, it's in your car. I think. Is that a dent? Not a dent? It's a dent. There's a dent right there. Johnny?
Jay, I didn't fart.